Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide, I'll show you how to turn on Do Not Disturb on your Android phone. Let's get straight into it. If you want to silence calls, notifications, and other alerts for a while, I'll show you two simple ways to do that. I'm starting on the home screen, and I'm going to open the Settings app. If you can't find the Settings app on your phone, you can tap the Google search bar at the bottom of the screen and search for Settings. You'll then be able to open it directly from the search results. Rather than doing that, however, I'm going to return to the home screen and open the Settings app from there. From the Settings app, I'm going to scroll down a little and I'm going to choose the Modes option shown there. On tapping this option, we're shown a number of different phone modes, but of course the one we're interested in is Do Not Disturb, shown at the top of the page. Let's tap on that once to select it. When you turn on Do Not Disturb, you'll usually have two options. You can leave it on until you decide to turn it off, or you can have it switch off automatically after a set amount of time. For this example, I'm going to choose to switch it off after 12 hours. To confirm that, all I now need to do is tap the Turn On button. Do Not Disturb is now enabled, and your phone will stay in this mode for the next 12 hours, unless you turn it off sooner. Remember, of course, you can turn it off yourself at any time before that. Now I'll show you a quicker way to turn on Do Not Disturb. Let's switch it off briefly so that I can demonstrate this shortcut. I'll return to the home screen, and from this page, I'll swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the Quick Settings panel. On my phone, the shortcut for Do Not Disturb isn't shown on the first page, so I need to swipe left to show the second page. Here you'll see a Modes tile. Let's tap that. At the top of the list is Do Not Disturb, which of course is currently turned off. I'll tap it once to turn it on, and the same options we looked at previously appear. I can either leave Do Not Disturb on until I turn it off myself, or I can choose a time duration. This time I'm going to select until I turn it off and tap Turn On to enable it. The mode screen now confirms that Do Not Disturb is switched on. And that's all there is to it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Woggle Guides for free to see more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and do look after yourself until next time.